Good afternoon everyone, so we're looking at another Sekonda watch. We're looking at one of the military variants today. So initial look at the box, so you can see we've got the black exterior body and a yellow interior body, as you can see from here. Nice display model as well. Most of the Sekonda boxes, they are smaller and thinner like this. This one is. This one's just a bit bigger. I think it's allowed for the size of the watch. So let's have a look inside of the actual watch. So here we go guys, this is the Sekonda Military 30064. Got a 45mm case diameter with a 12mm case thickness. Watch retails at £12 and weighs 72 grams. It's not too heavy and not too pricey, and operates on a full Japanese quartz movement. So let's have a look at the face here. So the face is a plain black reflective style dial with embossed style numbers going around the face here, and reflective black sunray style chronograph dials, as you can see here. The chronograph dials do a 24-hour readout and the actual stopwatch as well function. The hands, fully luminous hands, and a nice red second hand or tip to the second hand, just to add a bit more of a touch to it, a bit more of a contrast. Full tachymeter going around the outside of the interior of that dial. No sort of print inside the actual face. The actual face, the watch offers 100-meter water resistance capability. Coming out to the casing, we got a full stainless steel, but with this matte effect casing, and the same effect applied on these chronograph buttons and the crown. Not much feedback when you push that chronograph button. It doesn't matter, you're only paying £40 after all for a simple watch. Nice wind back function as well. It's quite hard to push those in relative. Well, I say quite hard. There's quite a lot of feedback when you push that in, but you don't get a click or anything. You just get a push. It's like squishing a cushion, really. Date dial sitting down at just between 4 and 5 PM. Let's have a look at the crown movement. A little bit of a flimsy crown, but nothing to be unexpected. Sekonda is probably one of the better brands to offer really good quality, but still keeping the price down. Nice fully luminous hands there. They seem to stand out nicely with those embossed figures on the inside of the face. Don't often see embossed increments in a watch, really. Most of them are printed. Quite a nice touch, really. So, strap. We've got a webbing wetsuit style strap, hence the extra length here. Wetsuit style military style strap, 22mm in diameter, if you ever wanted to change that. Come around the back. It's fitted in the same sort of way a Luminox watch is fitted, well, the navy steel style ones, with mirror finish backplate going on there, and the wetsuit strap to sit across the whole backplate here, just to sit comfortably on the wrist. As I said before, full wetsuit strap as well, hence the extra length here. So you probably need quite a big wrist to wear this properly. In terms of your buckles, you've got 2 buckles to hold onto that webbing strap. One fixed in place, well, both fixed in place actually. That's quite a nice touch, I like that. And so a full Sekonda printed matte finish stainless steel buckle. Let's have a look with it on the wrist next to my infantry watch. I'm actually waiting for the return of my Luminox navy seal, and that'll be soon. It's being serviced, and I've just bought an infantry watch which is on my wrist at the moment, just to sort of tide me over, because I'm quite out quite a bit, so it's just sort of tie me over for football and things like that. So here guys, that is the Sekonda Military 30064.